Have you ever wondered why owls seem to glide through the night without making a sound? Scientists set out to solve this mystery by testing the flight of different birds. They started with pigeons, whose normal flight produced the expected noise. Next, they examined eagles, their powerful wings generating significant sound as they soared. Finally, the focus turned to owls. In a series of controlled experiments, researchers used sensitive microphones to capture the flight sounds of each bird. The results were astonishing. Unlike pigeons and eagles, owls have specialized wing structures, comb-like serrations, and soft, fringed edges that effectively break up turbulent air, allowing them to fly almost silently.
No, nothing at all. Absolutely quiet.
This unique adaptation gives owls a significant advantage as stealthy hunters in the dark. This remarkable adaptation not only helps owls hunt stealthily, but also sparks our curiosity about nature's engineering. So, what do you think? Are owls nature's ultimate ninjas of the night? Share your thoughts in the comments.